Hello everyone, welcome to TechGuru. So in this tutorial, I will explain you one topic, that is the PHP basics. So first of all, we will see the introduction part about the PHP basic, and then we will see the which server we are using for to run the particular PHP script. So like the XAMPP and WAMP. Okay, so XAMPP server is a cross-platform. That is means that particular XAMPP server is whenever we want to install in the particular system, so that will be we want to install in Microsoft Windows, then means that is compatible with the Microsoft Windows, then that is compatible with the Mac operating system, and that is compatible with the Linux operating system. But WAMP is only compatible with the Microsoft Windows operating system. Means we want to install in WAMP server is installed in particular Microsoft Windows operating system, and then we can run the particular PHP script. So first we will see what is a PHP. So PHP stands for hypertext processor, hypertext preprocessor, and that is an interpreted language. So interpreted language means there is no need for compilation. We know that C programming language. So in the C programming language, whatever code is there, first we want to just type the particular code. Okay, then after that, after type the particular code, you just compile the code and run the particular script. We know about all this process, but in the PHP there is no need for the compilation. You just write the particular code, and then that particular code will be executed in the server side. So PHP is faster than other scripting language like the ASP and the JSP, Java Service Pages, or ESP server pages. So PHP can be embedded into HTML. Means if you want to run or if you want to create any PHP code, then first of all you have to write down in the particular HTML code. Or you can say, suppose you just write the HTML code and then just embed means whatever code about your PHP, that will be embedded into the particular HTML. This is also object oriented language. Means all the concept like the objects, then class, interfaces, all type of the concept of the object oriented we will use in the PHP. So that's why it is an object oriented language. It is simple and easy to learn language. So this is the introduction. Then this is also open source. Means this is a open source means anyone can access it. Then it is interpreted, I already said, interpreted, an object oriented scripting language. So all types of the object oriented concept we use with the PHP, and that can be executed at the server side. So we need the server, we install the server, and then after that we just execute the particular code and script, and then you used to that whatever code is there, that is used to manage the dynamic content of the website. So we know that there are the different types of the websites. So whatever application you created, or dynamic or static, so we just use the particular PHP code to develop the particular contents. So that is used for, or we can say that is suitable for the web development. We just create the different types of the web application, and whatever web application are there, so we are using the PHP script. It's an application that execute on the server and generate the dynamic page. So we need first we have to write down the particular PHP code, then that will be executed on the server side. So in order to develop and run PHP web pages, so there are the three important, or we can say vital components that need to be installed on your computer system. So first of all we have to check three components are installed or not. So for that, first one is a web server, then second one database, and the third one is a PHP parser. So first one, web server. So PHP will work with the all the web server software, including the Microsoft IIS, means Internet Information Server. So that is freely available. Apache, that we know that Apache server, that is freely available. So whenever we want to download the particular Apache, then just use the particular link that is given here. Then database, it is also important part. So PHP will work with the all the database software, including the Oracle, then Systembase, but most commonly used in the freely available, that is a MySQL database. Then suppose you want to download that particular MySQL free, so for then there is link is given here. So you just click on the particular link, and just download the particular MySQL database. Next component is PHP parser. So in order to process PHP script instruction, a parser must be installed to generate the HTML output. So that need to be installed, and that can be sent after that, means after processing, that will be sent to the web browser. So now we will see how to set up the development environment. This is also important. So we know that the PHP is a hypertext preprocessor, and that is a general purpose programming language, and that is developed by Rasmus Ledroff in the 1994 for the only purpose of the web development. So this is the most popular programming language for beginners in the web development because of the simplicity, large community, and accessibility. Because it is a simple language, most of the community using this particular language for the web development, and anyone can access the particular code. So now we'll see steps to set up the PHP environment on the local machine. So there are basically two ways to set up the PHP on a local machine. So using all-in-one package. So I just want to recommend XAMPP and WAMP. So there are the two basically there are the two servers, XAMPP and WAMP. So WAMP is only for, or we can say that is compatible with the Microsoft Windows, but XAMPP is a cross platform. So we just install in Microsoft Windows, then Mac OS and the Linux also. So manually install all the required packages like MySQL, PHP, Apache, and configure. So now we'll see we want to install the PHP on the local machine, so which is by giving all in the one package called XAMPP. So now we'll see which steps we have to remember to install the XAMPP. So first of all we have to download the XAMPP. You just type the XAMPP in your Google, and just you can download the particular XAMPP software from your official website, and latest Windows version and latest PHP version that you want. You just go to the particular link and just download the particular XAMPP server. Then just open the particular downloaded .exe file. After opening the downloaded file, you will see the pop-up from Windows, and just click on the particular pop-up that you just click on the yes, and then after that proceed further. Then after that click on the next. You will see the welcome window of the XAMPP. This is your window, XAMPP installation window. So we'll see the one message, welcome message, that is welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. So just click on the next button. Then after that you will see this particular components that included into the XAMPP. So you just manually select the component you want to install. Please select the MySQL and PHP admin. So these two importance, MySQL and PHP admin, because if you want a database related operation, then you need the MySQL. So that's why just manually click on the MySQL and PHP admin, and then after just click on the next button. Then select the installation location. Select the location you want to install the XAMPP. So by default I just select here C drive. So I want to install the particular XAMPP in C drive. So just that particular folder name you can see here, that C:/XAMPP. So after that particular XAMPP will be installed in C folder, and just click on the next. So now we'll see steps to set up the PHP environment on the local machine. So there are basically two ways to set up the PHP on a local machine. So now we'll see we want to install the PHP on the local machine, so which is by giving all in the one package called XAMPP. So now we'll see which steps we have to remember to install the XAMPP. So first of all we have to download the XAMPP. You just type the XAMPP in your Google, and just you can download the particular XAMPP software from your official website, and latest Windows version and latest PHP version that you want. You just go to the particular link and just download the particular XAMPP server. Then just open the particular downloaded .exe file. After opening the downloaded file, you will see the pop-up from Windows, and just click on the particular pop-up that you just click on the yes, and then after that proceed further with the code. Let's do the particular process. Start the Apache server. So I already told you, start the Apache server by clicking the start button. You will see the port number. So if this window is basically already started the particular XAMPP server. So that's why this is see here that port number is there like 81 and 443. So you can stop the service whenever you want and start any service by just clicking the start button. So whenever you want to run the particular PHP script or run the particular PHP code, then start the, just click on the start button. There is a start button, means start the server, and whenever you want to stop the particular service, just click on the stop button. So checking the installation means you need to be checked that particular installation is done or not. So go to your browser, just whatever browser is there, so just go to the Chrome and type localhost colon 81. So 81 is nothing but your port number. So whatever port number is there, you just type there and simply localhost in case you have not changed the port. So basically if you see the window, they just type the localhost colon 81 slash dashboard slash hash. Whenever you just type this particular localhost colon 81 slash dashboard slash, then after that you get this particular window, means your installation is successful. So now we'll see the we want to install the PHP on the local machine, so which is by giving all in the one package called XAMPP. So now we'll see the which steps we have to remember to install the XAMPP. So first of all we have to download the XAMPP. You just type the XAMPP in your Google and just you can download the particular XAMPP software from your official website, and latest Windows version and latest PHP version that you want. You just go to the particular link and just download the particular XAMPP server. Then just open the particular downloaded .exe file. After opening the downloaded file, you will see the pop-up from Windows, and just click on the particular pop-up that you just click on the yes, and then after that proceed further. Then after that click on the next. You will see the welcome window of the XAMPP like the below. So if the installation goes fine, you will see the result like this. So this is a basically window that all the installation is done. This is the last step. Okay, thank you.